Emit Bird Repellent Spray is a ready-to-use chemosensory bird repellent conveniently packed into a tiny aerosol can. It eliminates the need for ULV or thermal fogger and provides a convenient, effective and humane way to deter unwelcome birds from making nest at your property. Once the mist contacts the birds, it triggers birds' trigeminal nerve, causing a temporary painful sensation. It is offensive but not deadly to birds. The birds will learn and associate the location with the painful experience and find other places to land, roost and nest. Now we show a short video of the bird repellent at work with motion-activated sprayer. When birds move near the motion-activated repellent sprayer, its sensor is triggered and sprays the bird repellent mist towards its target. It can be seen that pigeons actively avoid the area sprayed with bird repellent. It should be noted that pigeons are the most persistent bird species and takes several puffs of mist to chase them away, unlike sparrows or starling species.